Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
We have a full fresh chicken quartered by Mama Bing, marinating,
It's our dinner for tonight.
asparagus, mushrooms, and peppers.
Yes.
Healthy.
We gonna
Filipino don't like vegetable, but now she's eating more. She loves it.
shut up. So now we are heating our grill.
And
So
my
we're gonna grill
$1,000
this.
Weebic grill, and there's been problems already with it, but anyway, here it is.
He's my hubby, and he loves to do barbecue. So this is our life now. Being what's the lockdown? how long you marinated that, my loves?
This is only an hour and a half. It should be 8 hours, but we gave it a quick.
A quick marinate. Ooh, here you go. Gonna be our dinner. Oh, my love, you know what to do. My thing, it should be. So here our chicken barbecue for tonight. What is that, my loves?
It's a little rosemary.
Rosemary on the top.
I'm going with the new recipe, so I'm going to trust their recipe and not change anything else.
Yes.
Little tiny sauces that were left over. What you looking at? What you doing? Little tiny red.
Stop.
They talk there in New York, Brooklyn.
Where you born from?
Bronx, New York. They talk like this there in New York. Well, I don't talk like that anymore. I have like a mix.
Yeah.
Good.
He's Floridanian now. So this is our barbecue chicken. So how long you gonna wait for that,
They
my
say
love?
8 minutes at each side. I'm going to give it 6 to check.
Okay. So 6 minutes
Chicken.
waiting. Oh guys, look at the barbecue.
Mommy tells me what to do.
You need to put a little bit of oil so it will not stick. And it's not dry actually, my love.
That's right. I know.
Chicken
I'm
barbecue.
getting tired of my food. It's the same ingredients. So I'm trying a different.
Sorry, Mike.
I'm trying something different.
Yes, look at that. Ooh. Nice dinner for tonight. Almost ready though.